Today in this video we will see what to do if the Google Chrome browser of your Android device opens spam page or ad page automatically. But before that, press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification for the latest tips and tricks for free. So the first thing what you will do is you will go to Chrome here, then you will tap on this more option here at the top. You will go to settings, scroll down and you will go to privacy. Now you will scroll down, go to clear browsing data and make sure that the browsing history, cookies and site data, cached image and files, they are all selected. And then what you do is select clear data, select clear. So once you do that one, the other thing what you will do is you will go to settings, you will go to apps, you will scroll down and look for Chrome, and you will go to storage, select clear cache, go to manage storage and select clear all data, select OK. So once you do these things, the Google Chrome browser of your Android device should not open ad page or spam page next time. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.